Hey you guys, Esikhomesteddah here. Alright you guys, so I believe I mentioned in a couple of my videos how I was getting ready for some home improvements. And as you can see, this is day one of my demolition, construction, replacing my roof. And these guys have been here since this morning. Well, actually, it is morning. And they got busy right away. They came out, started about 6:30, and they're not playing. So I'm not even sure of the man count, but it's probably about 6 to 8 of them. And they let me see if I can get out without getting hit by a nail, because definitely don't want to be running any out of here. So right now this is what it's looking like. So they'll be replacing everything that has to do with roofing, but I have some mold, not mold, rotted wood over my porch area, and the roofer told me that that's probably due to some negligence on my roof when it was built. So I noticed, like, when I pull in, there's this like little sinking area right here where the ladder is. So they will have to replace some of the decking, or MSB board. I had to do my research on which board it is that they use, but you guys know what I'm talking about if you have a home and stuff like that. So I'm looking forward to seeing my new roof, and I'll keep you guys up to speed on how things is moving along. This won't be a one-day roofing job. There are places that do one-day roofing jobs, so I definitely want to share with you guys, when you are involving yourself with these contractors, especially when it comes to roofing, make sure that your roofers are licensed and bonded, because you want things done properly. And they are protecting my vegetation and my deck and things like that. So like I said, make sure your roofers are bonded. And when I tell you, these guys they moving like robots out here. Make sure they are insured and bonded. Make sure you are getting your 30-year roof. Make sure you have the right shingles. Make sure if you are getting a 50-year roof, shingles come in different sizes, different thicknesses. There are lots to choose from, so just make sure that you are getting your money's worth, definitely. Like I said, these guys is moving like robots up here. And I am really looking forward to seeing my new roof. Yeah. I'm amazed at how fast these guys is moving over here. But when you know your trade, you know your trade, right, you guys? So they got about six up and about 2 down that are already starting to clean up. I wish they would have used a little bit more of this tarp, but they ain't gonna leave it like this. So yeah, you guys, so this is day one of my demolition of my roofing. And now I can see where they will have to replace some of the wood. Wow. yeah, definitely could see where they will have to replace some wood, and where there were some areas where we were seeing water damage inside the home. And yeah, there's going to be a couple of these boards that they're going to have to replace. I can see right there where you see that little indentation kind of dip right there. They're going to have to probably replace that, or get it moved to where it's properly installed. And I don't think that came from that board back there in that corner. I don't think that came from whether nobody walks on the roof, so they probably missed area where they were supposed to nail it in that corner right there. You can see it. So I'm actually starting to see where there were errors made. And I've been in my home for 18 years now, but one of my roofers that came in was telling me this possibility that there was some negligence. So I definitely could see where that could happen. But also make sure, you guys, that you get multiple prices on installation of your roof, because they definitely are out here trying to duke you into these extremely high prices, even though roofing is expensive anyway. But make sure you do your research and get at least, I would say, 3 to 4 quotes from different companies. And again, make sure they are licensed and bonded. Do not go with your coworker on a job that do roofing on the side. Don't do that, you guys. All right, so yeah, they're moving pretty quick in the back, and then they'll work their way to the front. But right now they're moving super fast. So all right, you guys, this is SDK. I wanted to bring you guys some footage and share some of the experience, and give you guys some advice on roofing. Also, you guys, you know, as homesteaders, and with the situation being that it is right now here in America, we tend to neglect different things around the house because we're so excited about growing, and that is one of the things that I did. So I'm just happy that, you know, it's getting done now. So I hope you guys enjoy this footage on my roof makeover, if you want to call it that, or roof renovation, if you want to call it that. I hope you guys enjoy this footage and my information that I'm trying to bring to you. Y'all say hello to my dogs. They're out here making sure they do everything right. All right, you guys, it's SDK the Homestead. I will see you guys on the next updated video. Peace.